A United Kingdom Shopping Guide. Chapter 1. Buying stuff in England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. UK shopping websites at alioyoucanread.com/UK-newspapers. Amazon.co.uk. eBay.co.uk. ASOS.com. Zara.com. Tesco.com. Argos.co.uk. HotUKDeals.com. JohnLewis.com. SportsDirect.com. MarksandSpencer.com. Boots.com. Next.co.uk. Asda.com. Cutties.co.uk. Debenhams.com. Topshop.com. DIY.com. Newlook.com. Screwfix.com. Houseoffraser.co.uk. Which.co.uk. Very.co.uk. Sainsbury's.co.uk. Boohoo.com. eBuyer.com. Quidco.com. NotonTheHighStreet.com. BearsHKA.com. RiverIsland.com. Overclockers.co.uk. alioyoucanread.com/UK-shopping. Major British shopping websites. british-shopping.com/UK_shopping_directory. british-shopping-online.co.uk. information-britain.co.uk/shopping.cfm. kelco.co.uk, shopping search engine. mknlpsolutions.co.uk/shopping.asp. mysite4u.co.uk, furniture. shopsafe.co.uk. ukbuyonline.com. worldwideshoppingmall.co.uk. oft.gov.uk/consumer/your+sign rights+sign when+sign shopping+sign home/online+sign to+sign go+sign for+sign help.htm. British shopping websites. Amazon.co.uk. antiques.listings.ebay.co.uk. babyworld.co.uk. bbc.co.uk/consumer/guides_to/shopping_online how.shtml. bb-shopping.com. bdirect.co.uk. beststuff.co.uk. bizrate.co.uk. bookgiant.co.uk. britishcompanies.co.uk/british's-hopping-bsa.org/uk/press/newsreleases/online-shopping-tips.cfm. britishcornershop.co.uk. britishdesign.co.uk. britishhorse.com/a-catalog/info.html. britishlibrary.net/consumer.html. britishservices.co.uk/watchdog.htm. britisheshopping.com. british-shopping.com/uk_shopping_directory. britishvogue.co.uk. buy.co.uk. classifieds.co.uk. comparistoryprices.co.uk. deltime.co.uk. doeoo.co.uk. ebay.co.uk. enough.org.uk. euroconsumer.org.uk. gemnet.co.uk, jewelry. guardian.co.uk. harrods.com, department store, London. houseofnames.ie, Ireland. inshop.co.uk. kelco.co.uk. lifeandhealth.guardian.co.uk/consumer. londonmall.co.uk. money.guardian.co.uk/consumer issues. money.guardian.co.uk/consumer news. mytaxi.co.uk. oft.gov.uk/consumer/default.hdm open4busines.me.uk pcpro.co.uk Computers pcworld.co.uk pushposters.com shopguide.co.uk shopping.guardian.co.uk shopsmart.com esplut.com sterlingtimes.co.uk telegraph.co.uk timesonline.co.uk fashionunited.co.uk/news/consumer.hdm uk.shopping.com uk250.co.uk/shopping ukshopping.com ukshops.co.uk UK shopping subcategories at cully.org/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/business_and_economy/shopping Subcategories England Northern Ireland Scotland Wales Auctions Cashback and points reward schemes Classifieds Directories Discount deals and vouchers Price comparison Stores Alternative Antiques and collectibles Beauty products Books Cars Children Clothing Computers Consumer electronics Crafts Death care Entertainment Ethnic and regional Flowers Food Furniture Gadgets General merchandise Gifts Health Holidays Home and garden Jewelry Mobile phones Motoring Music and film Niche Office products Pets Photography and optics Publications Recreation and sports Tobacco Tools Toys and games Travel Visual arts Weddings UK-Europe wholesale websites at cully.org/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/business_and_economy/industries/wholesale Subcategories Books Clothing Health and beauty Home and garden Jewelry afblakemore.com, AF Blakemore & Son Ltd, food retail, wholesale, and distribution company. Beersolutions.co.uk, James Clay & Sons, specialist beer importer supplying all sectors of the UK licensed trade. Booker.co.uk, Booker, wholesaler, and online retailer supplying caterers, retailers and other businesses from over 170 stores nationwide. Changeover.freeservers.com, Changeover, company supplies new and ex-rental videos, DVDs, and games to the retail trade. Cheeseseller.co.uk, the Cheese Seller Company, offer cheese, pasta, Italian specialty meats and a range of dry store goods. CrystalDeodorant.com, Tawas Crystal UK, offer pure and natural deodorant products without chemicals. DanielaMbertWines.co.uk, Daniel Lambert Wines Limited, wine agency that specializes in the importing of wines from France, Chile, and Australia. Enchante.co.uk, Enchante, suppliers of dried and silk flowers, floral sundries, and giftware. eSources.co.uk, eSources Trade Portal, UK trade directory of wholesale products and suppliers. gemwholesale.co.uk, gem discounts, catalog returns, and surplus stocks including toys, hardware, clothing, audio, furniture and household goods. Hantex.co.uk, Hantex Limited, represents and distributes creative craft products for many American and European manufacturers. HARPER_TRADING.tripod.com, Harpre Trading, UK, Limited, broker a range of goods including coffee, cocoa, and cosmetics. Newformdistribution.co.uk, Newform Distribution, wholesale distributor of steel nuts, washers, and other fastenings. Norton.co.uk, KH Norton, wholesaler of die-cast models, toys, stationery, plastic kits, and hobby accessories. ojwilliams.co.uk, OJ Williams, distribute fuel to both companies and houses. PalmerHarvey.co.uk, Palmer and Harvey McLean Ltd, independent and national wholesaler of tobacco, confectionery, chilled and frozen, grocery and convenience goods. PearsonandFrench.com, Pearson and French, offer spun brass clock and barometer bezels and associated spinnings. PENWITHIAN-WHOLESALERS.co.uk, Penwithian Wholesalers Limited, providing cash and carry grocery products. PlaywrightGroup.com, The Playwright Group, distributor of pocket money toys and party products. RayburnTrading.com, Rayburn Trading, toiletries, cosmetics, and household goods wholesalers supplying a branded and non-branded products to the retail, wholesale, and commercial sectors. RJBstone.com, RJB Stone Ltd, offers wholesale gifts, lampshades, hanging mobiles, and homewares. ScobiesDirect.com, Scobie and Jenner Group, offer a range of butcher supplies including ingredients, meat netting, casings, packaging, sundries and machinery. Super-rod.co.uk, Super Rod Ltd, provide professional tradesmen and engineers with labor-saving specialist tools. TheIndianCollection.com, The Indian Collection Limited, offer a range of Indian handmade textile products. TheWholesaler.co.uk, The Wholesaler UK, directory of wholesalers, importers, and manufacturers. THStools.co.uk, THS Tools, tool wholesalers. Toolbank.co.uk, Toolbank, tool wholesaler and distributor servicing the retail trade. Windhorse.biz, Windhorse Trading Limited, importer of giftware from around the world. Find UK shopping websites at Feedspot. uk.feedspot.com/uk_blogs. fashion.feedspot.com/fashion_blogs_uk. uk.feedspot.com/uk_retail_blogs. uk.feedspot.com/uk_ecommerce_blogs. lifestyle.feedspot.com/uk_lifestyle_blogs. uk.feedspot.com/uk_thrift_blogs. fashion.feedspot.com/uk_vintage_fashion_blogs. influencers.feedspot.com/uk_fashion_Instagram_influencers. fashion.feedspot.com/uk_women's_fashion_blogs. UK classified ad websites. Gumtree.com. Preloved.co.uk. vivastreet.co.uk. Craigslist.co.uk. tiaravit.co.uk. adzuna.co.uk. freeads.co.uk. ukadslist.com. ukclassifieds.co.uk. locanto.co.uk. ad-mart.co.uk. loot.com. adx.co.uk. metula.co.uk. dundeal.co.uk. adduce.co.uk. 4ni.co.uk. anunico.co.uk. nexolocal.co.uk. olx.co.uk. adsdeck.co.uk. classiuk.com. donkeyes.co.uk. yakz.co.uk. newsnow.co.uk/classifieds. UK deals and coupons websites. groupon.co.uk. topcashback.co.uk. vouchercodes.co.uk. wowshare.co.uk. myvouchercodes.co.uk. vouchercloud.com. gagaroop.com, mightydeals.co.uk, discountvouchers.co.uk, ooni.co.uk, itizen.com, todaysgreatdeal.com, kgbdeals.co.uk, deals.ebay.co.uk, graboni.co.uk, smarterdeal.co.uk, halfdiscount.co.uk.